If you are new to the channel, then subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for further notification. Okay student, welcome you all to this new lecture on GATE series Digital Electronics. So today we will be solving again from question number 26 onwards. So question number 26, 27, 28, 29 and 30. Okay, then let's try to solve these questions. Okay, if you see question number 26, what they are asking. Which of the following logic circuit is the realization of the function whose Carnot map is given? Which Carnot map is given, shown in the figure. So if you simplify it, how you will get it? You will take this one as a pair, two pairs are there. So you can take this as a pair and this as a pair. Minimum number of pair that you can take. You can someone also can take this as a pair, but that is redundant, no need. All ones are covered. If you see the first one, which one is not changing? A is not changing and here C is not changing. So it is A bar plus C bar, A bar C bar plus, and here which one is not changing? B is not changing and C. So A bar C bar plus B. Now see which of the options are giving you this answer. If you see simple options, if you see A, then what is there here in A? It is A bar, it is BC. So A bar and then BC multiplied, and it is not multiplied. A bar, no, A bar C bar. So it is not the answer, obviously A. What it is getting? A bar multiplied by BC. This is A bar, this is BC, both are multiplied. So obviously this is not the answer A. B, if you go, what is giving? A bar plus BC. A bar plus BC. Obviously this one is not also answer. So if you come to C, it is A bar, then it is C bar. A bar and C bar are multiplied. So here it is A bar C bar. A bar C bar, so far so good. Plus this is OR, plus what is coming from here? BC. So I think this is the answer. That is your option. That is matching with your given function. So option C is the correct option. Now if you see question number 27, for a 3-input logic circuit shown in the figure, the output Z can be expressed as. So you can find how you easy then. Again, what is coming from here? P and then Q naught. P then Q naught, that is multiplied, then this is bar because this is NAND now. And then this is multiplied with, okay, this is multiplied with what is coming here? Q. Okay, again that is multiplied with what is coming here? Q and R naught. Q into R naught. And then everything is multiplied, then overall there is a bar. So you can apply De Morgan's rule and you can expand it. If you split this bar into three different parts, 1 part, 2 part and 3 part, then there will be plus plus, and here bar and bar will get cancelled out. So it will be P Q bar plus Q bar plus again bar would cancel Q bar. So if you take Q bar common, then it is Q bar plus QR, and it can be, there is a rule, you can further write it R plus Q bar. There is a rule for Boolean expression algebra, you can write it there. Suppose you don't able to write it here or you forget this rule, you can apply this one PQR, then you can simplify. You can write K map, then you can also simplify. So 0 0 0 1 1 1 or 1 0 0 1. Suppose if you don't know the expressions, Boolean algebras, all formulas, then you can use K map and you can also skip this one. You can find it out. So what are the options? You have Q bar. Q bar means Q, whenever Q is 0, there will be 1. Whenever Q is 0, there will be 1. Whenever Q is 0, there will be 1. Here is Q 0. Whenever Q is 0, there is 1. It is QR. QR 1 1. P can be anything. So QR 1 1. 1 and then 1. So 1 1 1 1. So this is the K map here. So if you simplify, this is a quad and this is a quad. So if you simplify, your F will be, if you take this quad, R is there, and if you take this quad, what is not changing? Here it is, both are changing, and here the change not changing is Q bar. So you can see this is the simplified version. Or you can apply Boolean algebra formulas, then also you can use Q bar. That is your option C. Again, if you come to 28, what they are asking here, in the logic circuit shown in figure, Y is given by. Again, a simple one, you apply simple logic. So it is A into B bar, A into B bar, then it is multiplied with C into D bar, then whole is bar. So if it will be AB plus CD. That is as simple as it is. That is option D. So what they are asking, match the following: sum X bar Y bar NAND carry NOT. So you can write it down. Sum, what is sum? Sum was, suppose X and Y, so it is X XOR Y, XOR Y, X XOR or Y. This is XOR, NAZOR also you can say, or it is XOR. So it is XY bar or y x bar. So it is P. What is Q? NAND. What is NAND? NAND is AND then bar, xy bar. You can write it x bar plus y bar also if you expand it using De Morgan's rule. What is R? R is carry. What was carry? Carry was AB. Sorry, xy here. It is in terms of x and y. And it is NOR. NOR was x plus y bar, which can be also written as x bar y bar. Now you can check with A, B, C which one is satisfied. A is x bar y bar. That means A is x bar plus y bar. That means A is with Q. xy is carry. Okay, this is carry. Then x bar y bar. X bar y bar is NOR. So A is Q, B with R, and C with, this is S. C with S. So these are the options. Answer. The logic functions F, these are the control input, these are the selection lines, and this is the output. Okay. So according to this, the lines will be selected. If you give 0 here, 0 line selected. If you give 1 here, 1 will be selected. Whatever input you give here, that line will be selected, and that input will be passed on to output. So there will be a bridge connected between that input and that output using this one. Suppose you put 0, 0, 0, so 0 will be connected to F. If you write it 0, 0, 1, then 1 will be connected to F. If you write 0, 1, 0, that is 2. So this channel will be connected to. So whatever here coming here, that will become the output. That is the max. Okay, shown in figure, ACD is the control input. Indicate the inputs to the applied at the terminal 0 to 7. What should be the, for getting this type of output, what should be your input in these lines? Can the function be realized using 4 to 1 multiplexer? Okay. So if I try with this one, what are the control units? This is LSB. So you start with DCA, and this is your function output. So but here B is also there. So B is not in the control. So B will be placed here. So you write function in terms of B also. So first we will take 1 by. If AC both are 1, then your output is 1, because F you can take both are 1. You forget to take, we will take 1 by 1 because it are all options. So you stop it, you see this one. So both are 1, then output is 1. So if both are 1, because both are 1, there are two options. This can, because D can be 0, D can be, both are 1, then your output is also 1. Okay, this is the first condition I am getting. Second, you off this. So A and D, if both are 1, then your output is B. If both are 1, then only your output is B. Okay, A, B both are 1. A, D both are 1. Again there are two options. It can be 0, it can be 1, because C can be anything. Then your output is B. You have to write in terms of B, because B is not here. You can choose only A, C, D, these values. Here, if all three are 1, then also your output is 1. All three 1, then also your output is 1. So this is one case, this is one case, this is also 1, this is 1, and these are same, you see. So this is actually OR options, 1 or B. It can be 1, it can be B, anything. So 1 or B means you can take plus, or means plus, OR gate. So 1 plus B, it is 1. So you will consider it 1. So what is this means? 0, 1, 1 means what is this line? Which line will be selected if I give 0, 1, 1? It is third line, because it is 3. 2 plus 1, 3. What is this line? 4 plus 2 plus 1, 7. So 7th line will also be 1, because input is 1, then only output is 1. Whatever output, that has to give in the input. Now this one 1, 0, 1. 4 plus 1, 5. And this one again, that is 7 only. So 7 is 1. Okay. So we will put it in this way. So what we will put, I am writing here only, you can write it down. So what 1 you record, first at 3 you need 1. So here you put 1 at 3, and 7 also you put 1, 7 also you put 1, and in the fifth one you put B, in the fifth one you put B, all other 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. So then this logic can be implemented. So you can see, so this should be your input. That is the answer for the first question. Now they are asking, can the function be realized using 4 into 1 multiplexer? Now what happens in 4 into 1 multiplexer? You will have two control input now. So you will take the LSB is 1, MSB you remove, so D you remove. So now you have C, and you have 4 now input, 0, 1, 2, 3. So now you have to write the function again using these two only. So your F will be in terms of B and D both, because both now is not in control, so that should be come in selection lines. So from here B will come from the selections line. So if it is 0, 0, so you see what is your first option, both are 1. So if you see function both are 1, then function is 1. Whatever BD, that is not required. Okay. Next, if A is equal to 1, see they have not mentioned, so A can be 1 in both way, either this way. So then your output will be BD, because you have to write in terms of BD. AC both are 1, then your output is D. Okay. So you can see 1 1, there are 3 cases, and each one is OR, either 1 or BD or D. So if you add all these things, output is 1. So for 1 1 we will take 1. For 0 1, 0 1 means what is my input is 1. 1 1 means what is my input, 2 plus 1 3. So in 1 I should put BD, and in 3 I should put 1, because this one I will consider 1, this one I will take, because 1 1 it can be 1 BD or D, or that means 1. So I will take this one. So BD you cannot directly give, because these are 2 inputs. So what you have to do, you need a AND gate there. So I will put a AND gate, and I will put B here, D here. So B and D will be multiplied in the AND gate, then it will be injected in 1. So can it be realized using 4 cross 1 marks, 4 to 1 marks? You can realize it, but you need a AND gate. So only with 4 cross 1 it is not possible, but if they give you AND gate, then it is possible. So my answer will be it is not possible, because you need additional AND gate here. So it is possible using 4 cross 1 multiplexer and then AND with one additional AND gate. So only with this one it is not possible. So not possible. Why not possible? Because you need additional items. If you like the video, then press the like button and please give your valuable